In this video, we will learn about network topology. Topology refers to the way in which computer of network is connected. It describes the logical structure of a network. It defines arrangement of nodes, cables, and connectivity devices that make up the network. We can categorize topology in two ways. First is your physical topology and second is logical topology. Physical topology describes actual layout of the network transmission media. So in the physical topology, we will make a physical layout of network. I mean, how will my network look like? We will make that physical layout of network in physical topology. While in the logical topology, it describes how signal follows as it passes among network nodes in the topology, in the network. We will discuss 5 different topologies in this current topic. First is your bus topology, star topology, ring topology, mesh topology, and tree topology. Now we will start from the bus topology. This is the basic diagram of bus topology. There are different systems, that means nodes are connected to this cable. This cable is called your backbone cable or bus. These two ends are called terminators. All devices are connected to common shared cable called backbone of network. Most buses transmit signals in both directions on backbone cable, but some are unidirectional. The backbone cable carries message along the cable. As message arrives at workstation, it checks whether destination address matches to its own or not. If no, it goes to next workstation. The bus cable is terminated at each end by placing terminator to prevent signals from reflecting back. In the bus topology, a set of clients are connected via a shared communication line called bus or backbone cable. This is the simplest way to connect multiple clients, but often have problems when two clients want to transmit at the same time on the bus. This is suggested for small networks. अगर 10 to 15 कंप्यूटर्स हों या ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 20 कंप्यूटर्स आर देयर इन अ नेटवर्क, देन दिस इज़ द बेस्ट टोपोलॉजी बिकॉज इट इज़ चीप ऑल्सो. देखिए इन दिस डायग्राम, अगर सिस्टम वन कोई मैसेज सेंड करना चाहता है सिस्टम 3 को, तो एक नेटवर्क पे भेजा गया मैसेज सभी के पास जाता है. लेकिन ये जो सिस्टम्स हैं 2, 4, 5 ये इसको रिसीव नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि सेंडर और रिसीवर की आईडी इनसे मैच नहीं करती है. वो फिर भी मैसेज यहाँ सभी के पास जाएगा. जो इसको रिसीव नहीं करेंगे वो फिर फाइनली इनके पास जाएगा जहाँ पे कि रिसीवर की आईडी मैच हो जाएगी. इनके रिसीव करने के बाद वो मैसेज आगे भी जाएगा. डिफरेंट कंप्यूटर्स अगर यहाँ और सिस्टम्स कनेक्ट होते हैं तो वो उन कंप्यूटर्स पर भी जाएगा, लेकिन वो इसको रिसीव नहीं करेंगे. और यहाँ पर ये जो एंडिंग पॉइंट्स है इंटरसेप्टर और टर्मिनेटर, इसको इंटरसेप्ट कर लेगा सो दैट दिस बस इज़ फ्री फॉर द नेक्स्ट कम्युनिकेशन. क्योंकि बस टोपोलॉजी में only one computer or only one client can transmit data at a one particular point of time. तो दो लोग डेटा को एक साथ ट्रांसमिट नहीं कर सकते हैं बस टोपोलॉजी में. ओके. ऑल्सो heavy traffic can slow down the network because only one computer can transmit at a time. These are the some advantages and disadvantages of bus topology. Cables and hardware used are inexpensive, simple to understand, can be easily extended. These are the advantages of bus topology. These are some disadvantages also. Difficult to troubleshoot. Each node may have to be checked. Increase network traffic, decrease network performance. So we are concluding this topic here. In the next video, we will study about remaining topologies. Thank you.